Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 865 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out a product from my June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. This is from Ciate, London. It's the Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. So I got this in the shade Wicked, which is a beautiful purple shade. And I'm really excited about this. I just love glittery metallic eyeshadows, so this is right up my alley. But also this is really high rated, which makes me even more excited to try it out. You can get it at Sephora. It cost $24 and it actually comes in 5 different shades. If I were choosing my own shade of this, I probably would not have chosen the purple. Even though I love purple, it's just not as easy to wear, as much of a go-to shade for me. So they do have other shades that, in my opinion, are more wearable, kind of, or just go with more looks. So if you want to see the other products I got in my June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. This is one of the products that I was most excited about. So it comes with this little, I don't know, cover plastic piece to push the product down. So I'm really intrigued to feel the texture. So it looks purple, but it has some silver marbled pieces in it. Ooh, it has a creamy feel. It says that it's a powder to cream formula, and I'm definitely feeling that creaminess, which should be a lot easier to work with than a powder. Let me go ahead and swatch. Ooh, that is super pigmented and beautiful. It's a very pretty deep purple shade. So here's what that looks like. Definitely metallic and sparkly, but it does seem to have more shimmer, like small little sparkle pieces, not big glitter. I was kind of thinking it might be more glittery, but it's definitely just metallic with shimmer. It's still really pretty, but I love like big glitter eyeshadows as well. So everywhere when I looked this up, it said to just apply it with a finger. So I'm gonna go right ahead and try that. It also says that it's supposed to be long lasting, not crease. It's also vegan and cruelty free. So let's see how it is on my eyelid. Oh my gosh, like I can just lightly touch my eyelid and it is that full, beautiful, opaque pigment. And I'm just kind of tapping at my eyelid and that works. Ooh, but you know what? I'm also gonna try just kind of blending it lightly with less product on my finger to blend it up into the crease in more of a subtle purple. And that works too. Oh my gosh. I feel like so quickly and easily I was able to get a full eye look because you've got that lighter crease transition effect down to the full pigmented eyelid. And this creamy formula is so easy to work with. It's not the least bit messy, so you get no fallout. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, before I pick up any more product on my finger, I want to just go ahead and with this little bit I have left, just blend that all over and see what that color looks like on its own. Yeah, you can get just a light dusting of the purple if you only use a tiny bit, which I like when a product is buildable, so then you get more of a versatile range of color and use from it. But I love how this looks with the full metallic shimmer effect. Oh, it's so pretty. I just can't get over how easy it is to apply such a metallic, shimmery, pigmented shade. I love this one eyeshadow, one color look that I can achieve by focusing all of the color and pigment on the eyelid and then blending out the remaining color on my finger into the crease and transition area. So then you get that kind of ombre effect. I did of course get some on my under eye because I always end up with some eyeshadow there when I apply with my finger. But since there's no fallout, it is just so easy to wipe away. So pretty. Ooh, looking at myself in the mirror, it does look pretty dark. Kind of like a vampy glam look from it. I also would have loved this in a lighter, brighter purple shade, but I could also incorporate this purple with other eyeshadows, some other, bright pinks or lighter purples, some silver. So I love this on its own, but this would also look so good with other colors. And because it has this metallic finish, I feel like it also kind of looks glossy on the eye, which I think is so pretty. And I have a lot of lines in my eyelid and I just keep checking to see if there's any creasing, and magically there is none. For the fun of it, I just want to go in with a little bit more to really layer up the color and metallic. Yes. So actually I just applied that to the center of the eye, so a little bit of like a halo effect. And this is so beautifully buildable. I'm so amazed that I can get so much dimension from just this one product. So here is how it looks with my little halo effect. This formula is worth the hype and the high ratings. It's so pretty and just so easy to use. I love that. That's my perfect combo. So like I mentioned in my unboxing video, some of the Ciate London products that I've tried out have not been great. Some I have liked. This one I love. And it makes me excited to try out more Ciate London products, which I'll probably end up getting in Ipsy because I think I've gotten a Ciate London product in every single month for the past several months. But this makes me excited to continue building up my Ciate London makeup collection because this product is a huge hit in my opinion. So if you have tried this, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'm also really curious on how people like the other colors, so I'm really excited to look up some videos and reviews on the other shades of this. I wish I had more shades because they would go so well together. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.